What's good, you guys? It's 8 times in 4L, and we're back on this motherfucking channel. What's good?
That just made me happy.
So today we are officially starting August. Wait, what is it called?
What?
Vlogust.
Vlogust.
Because it's August. Wait, what is it again?
Vlogust.
So, come on.
It's the middle of August, though.
Come on, get your popcorn.
Okay, so this is Vlogust day 17.
We're starting on day 17. I don't hear nothing about it.
The only reason we're starting on day 17 is because, well, one, we were going to do Vlogtober, which we're still going to do. And we were like, we were coming up with names like, okay, I said Vlogust, didn't know it was a real thing. I said Vlogust, then what'd you say, Vlogimber?
Well, we're skipping September. So.
I know, but I'm saying we're coming up with names.
Vlogimber, and then Vlogtober, and then Vlognimber, Vlogimber.
And then we said December is Vlogmas, but then you said Vlogust is actually hard. So I was like, I wonder if that's a real thing, because it sounds real. And then I looked it up on YouTube.
It is.
It's a real thing.
Very much. So, come on, buckle up, grab your popcorn, and let's run these errands together. First things first, we're gonna go eat at a local little cafe we have in town, and then the fun begins.
All right, we are at Bill's.
Yeah, so I bought Nigel, I surprised him with the Mr. Coffee Maker. It's usually like $89. I got it for $49. He's not happy. He needs a toy. Mommy promised him a toy.
We're looking at the coffee stuff right here.
Yeah, I want the they have a vanilla caramel cream right here.
This?
Yeah, do you want that one? This will be good mixed with what's that
I
one?
don't know.
That one's pumpkin caramel.
Ooh. It's not pumpkin spice.
Do you want to get a buggy, babe? I don't want to put this stuff in his stroller. I don't want them things.
Oh yeah.
Okay, he went to go get the buggy. Oh, they have salted caramel, English toffee caramel, French vanilla. Hold on. Yo, I have my breast pumps on, so I can't like bend all the way over. But this one, French vanilla. Oh, it says it in Spanish. How much are these? These are only $3.99. That was $4.99. I don't care. It's his money, not mine. So. But let's see if Daddy wants this one too. Okay. That's Mama's. Hey, Silky. That's Mama's big boy. Run. So, Mima picked this one.
What is this?
Too. French vanilla.
Vanilla from. How you say that?
I said that too.
It's French.
I said Spanish. Whoops.
Probably is Spanish.
They have salted caramel.
French.
Maybe they have salted caramel, and they have vanilla almond. Oh, they have pumpkin spice.
Come on, you don't eat or drink everything pumpkin spice.
My dude is about to fly out of here.
Come on, dude.
That's too big. Lemon pepper.
You think this popcorn is good?
I was just about to look over the garlic and onion.
This looks nasty.
Oh, I bet that's good. Here, go to Daddy, okay? Till we get you a toy.
Okay.
Baby, happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.
Where? I see spooky. Oh.
Get it.
Top. That's embarrassing.
Should I get these? I don't know. Do I want any of this? Nah, probably not.
This is what we came in here for.
My nose is so tickled.
What did I say? Hello, pumpkin? Look at these pumpkins. I like that. But you know we gotta have a color theme. I was telling
all of
her.
our stuff it's orange, nude, and green.
But no, we did one thing, and that was this. The
we don't
black
have that
and
no
white. No, I'm saying, that's what I was about to tell you. I told Amaya one time, I said, when y'all decorate for fall, there's themes to it. And I didn't know that. until like our second year.
Let's do pink.
No.
Please.
No.
Also, can we change our bedroom to pink?
No. Guys, so the theme for this year is bright orange. We're going really, really, really bright orange.
Everything just super orange in the house.
Yeah, I agree. I agree.
Like,
Get! Look at this, y'all. Dollar Tree always coming through. They got school supplies out too, but they got that. Okay, I like that.
Feel this.
We can integrate red with it too. Golly, that's heavy.
Sorry, I didn't mean to scratch you.
You
I made you
did.
that ass shit. Your daddy's dirty. He didn't put on lotion.
You put on my lotion.
Wait, these will go good with our M sign that we've had out for the past year.
Facts. It will.
Do you want these?
Yeah.
Very mindful. These are very demure.
Very cutesy. No, don't get those.
Why?
Those don't.
They're more heavy duty than these.
Oh, okay. Never mind. Yeah.
So what? One of these and then two of these on the side.
Yeah.
next to it? Welcome to our patch. You want it?
We gotta go to the pumpkin patch
We
this
have to.
year.
You want it? Daddy didn't say anything, so that means you put it in the buggy.
Dang. So we're really going through with this orange theme.
See, this would go too, though, because we have that neutral stuff at home.
But we're not doing neutral though.
Sure.
Tight shit. Tight shit.
So we need some of these to go around our black shelf.
Yeah. That drink said, oh, you paint this.
Yeah, you do. I was just about to say that.
You paint
These are
that.
cute.
Look at that. You paint that too.
I can't walk away from him because he's so...
I got him.
Look how cute. It'll get broken immediately, I think. So.
Yeah, you don't want that to
Do you
fall
want
over.
to get some of this
over the
and go ahead and get our candy bucket?
house. Candy gonna be old.
But candy's good for months. I'm not talking about to give out at Halloween. I'm talking about to put on the intro and have a candy bucket at home.
Nah, not yet. Let's go to Walmart and see their candy options.
Yeah, and Walmart's probably gonna have a cute.
Alright, y'all. This is what we got so far. Ooh, I think it's sticking out. Step.
No. These are all heavy duty, baby. They're all good.
You wouldn't expect that to be here, because Walmart be having some raunchy stuff sometimes.
Yup. Hold on.
And they don't got everything out though.
I'm excited. Him going.
Look at those. I like them.
We have this from last year.
I don't remember that, but I'm talking about these pumpkins.
Pumpkins?
Yeah.
These can go on the couch. They're like squishy.
Oh, okay.
Baby, I didn't get this last year, remember? But I wanted it. The tier.
No, I don't remember.
You like it or not?
Well, I got a bad memory.
You like it or not? What'd I tell you?
What?
What up they?
Yeah, but that blanket's not as good as that one was over there.
But you can't tell me throwing in a little pop of color like this with the orange theme wouldn't be cute.
Yeah. But, oh, we forgot to tell them we didn't get that cover.
Yeah, yo, we get
The
to
throw
check out.
blanket.
She's like, it's so cute. I like that blanket. I said, I like it too. It had dogs on it.
Yeah. The ghosts were dogs.
Yes
and
or
we don't
no?
have a dog.
It matches good.
Yeah. A little pop of orange. Well, it ain't gonna be a little pop of orange because the theme is on. I like these.
Wait a minute.
You like that? Look at that.
Wait a minute.
Oh, that's glitter.
Wait a minute. It's orange. I'm getting it.
Make sure there ain't no dogs on it.
It ain't. It's ghosties.
Ghosties. These rugs, them will
Y'all
go out
think-
on you
They
quick.
would think we don't have no home training the way we get. Oh. You
Yeah, fall hits different, bro.
think this will be good quality outside?
We still got that blow up pumpkin. It looked very thin.
Not demure.
Yeah, not cutesy.
Flush bag.
What is that? Oh, that's like go trick or treating.
Oh, okay. I was trying to figure
We're not doing that, huh? Are we doing that?
Trick or treat?
Yeah.
You're the one who said we were.
No, I know, but you don't want to hand out candy?
For his first Halloween?
Yeah, but I mean, he's not old enough, you know?
What else? I already know you're going to tell me no, but I'm going to ask anyway.
Why? No.
Okay.
They're nice, though. They are nice, but they freaking fold in. The sun be beaming on them, and then they be curved. All right, you guys, where we at?
We at Hobby Lobby. We at Bay. the Grinch stuff on the back wall. Me, boy, we about to have some fun. Boy, we about to cut the fuck up in this store.
Goodness, girl. He laughed. Y'all see what's in the back, man. The fall stuff.
Yeah, no, you ain't gonna want that.
How much?
150.
150 for that? Dear Great Pumpkin. No! I feel like we can DIY something like that. Look, there's bigger versions of what we got at.
Wait, no, it was this.
Yeah, bigger versions. That's not bad.
A piece of plastic, though.
That's not, yeah, you're right, but that's not bad though.
Oh, it's 40% off. Wait.
Oh.
Party floral crafts. So.
I'm sorry.
You're okay. Look, so this is fall. It has to say it on the tag. Decor. So yeah, this is 40% off. So this is about $18.9. This is about $11.
They're
Do you
all
finish the living room or start the kitchen?
finish the living room, then start the
Okay,
kitchen.
so then we should be. We don't need to put on that. Yeah, freak out a little bit.
All the like middle-aged moms are in here. That yeah, they're the ones that got like that house. You know what I'm saying?
We just got a house, grateful.
Yeah. No. Yeah. I know. We'll get there one day.
One day. And if y'all like, comment, subscribe, you help us get there, and we'll give back.
Right, dude.
I can't wait to be those YouTubers though that give back all the time.
Yeah, 100%. 100%. Well, they do got that Christmas stuff out. They just got it waiting in the back. Like, dang, let fall get here. But I think Hobby Lobby always has like Christmas stuff out though.
Mama, do you like this for the house? Shuggy.
Look at that.
You want that for the house? You want this one? Yeah, you want to get this one? Mommy likes this one too.
Dear Great Pumpkin.
Do you like that one?
Oh, look, that's who says it. Dear Great Pumpkin, I can't wait for you to visit me. I think it's them. Yeah, I like that. Sorry.
No, it's okay. You distracted. It's so pretty in here.
Oh,
I
gotta switch arms with you, dude. You getting heavy.
Like this for the kitchen. Is this orange enough?
No, that gives me green vibes.
I know, but they don't have. I want something like this in the kitchen though.
It's very green.
Okay.
Just put it in the
It's right,
buggy.
it goes right here. Oh, I can get it?
Just put it in the buggy and let's see if we can find something else. I hate mats like that. They go outside like that. No, like this behind you.
This that I put in the buggy, you hate that, right?
Yeah. Oh, that's going outside?
Yeah.
Where?
In front of the front door.
Oh, no, that's fine.
You mean in the house?
No, that's fine because
Feel it,
you can tell it's pumpkin. I'm talking about this with like words on it because the words tend to like
fade.
Yes, that's not gonna fade. I mean, it will fade, but like you can tell it's a pumpkin. It don't have words on it. Dang! Let's get that this year. That's bigger than our
I
house.
can't fit through the front door.
That's legit bigger than our house.
Yeah, it definitely is.
Dang! So you don't want a white vibe this year? We've never done white vibe.
Yes, we did.
No, we didn't.
Yes, we did. The first year it was black and white. And you
Black
said,
and white.
You're the one who picked. You're the one who,
You wasn't even here.
You're so indecisive.
You wasn't
already.
even here.
Say you're the one who picked orange, right? So you bet.
He wasn't even here. You wasn't even here. You got so much to say.
Y'all, I so bad want to do our house in pink,
Dang, it's nice. Meet me at the pumpkin patch.
but he
Hey,
probably never.
caramel apple. We should make caramel apples this year.
Look at
Let's do it tonight.
us. Okay.
Y'all want another video? I'm dead ass.
Change it to PJs. Y'all didn't hear that.
Oh, okay. We're back on the first vlog. If you haven't watched the zoo vlog, go watch it. We're still in the same clothes. It's the same day.
Same day, 2 vlogs.
Yeah. Well, they got that Christmas stuff out.
Stores like this. Don't buy this. I sell this. It releases September 1st.
Link in the description. Boy, you can't reach for it. He trying to reach for it. No, boy,
toxic. We got good stuff in our products.
Yeah,
Can you tell you what's in that?
we reach for the Scentsy, gang.
Ow.
My hand all in the way.
You know, Mama would never get that baby because that's my baby.
Uh-oh.
Thank you. You want me? You just trying to come to Mama? These are so cute.
Oh, we should get that. We should get that. We should get that.
Let's.
Is this the...
$8.
Yeah. Hey, y'all better come to Hobby Lobby. Let me look. Screenshot that. Look at this. Fat boy, you want this? Ooh. He just drank through a straw in the zoo vlog, which y'all should go watch.
He didn't drink through it though. I had to pull it out and put it in there.
Oh, I thought he drank out of it. All right, you guys, we have come to the conclusion. I have come to the conclusion that we are now officially doing orange and white. And I said that because Ariel, you be trying to get on me.
No.
She said she wants this thankful sign.
I like it. I didn't say I wanted it. If you're doing what color?
Orange and white.
Now we're doing orange because you decided a couple seconds ago. But I don't care. Don't pull my hair. Because I'll take it there. Amir.
His name is Amir, not Amir.
It rhymed.
Good breath, shake. I'm just kidding.
Smell like you. And that ass crack.
But we're done in Hobby Lobby. And we still gotta go shop. Oh, my eyes are red.
We still gotta go shopping.
We still gotta go look at Lowe's. Maybe. Oh no, we're pretty much done. We got stuff for the kitchen and the living room. Right?
Yeah, let's go to Sam's Club.
Now?
It's just next door.
Oh. Alright. I don't want to. But okay.